گارڈن کا تعلق واشنگٹن ڈی سی امریکہ سے ہے. Mr. Gordon, you have the second time visited the Pakistan. After visiting the northern area, you are visiting in the southern area of Pakistan.
Because I read that there are many sites to see, historical sites. And in particular, Mohenjo-Daro I'm interested in, the Indus Valley civilizations. So I wanted to come back in order to do this trip from Islamabad to Karachi to see these, like Harappa today, and then we'll see Mohenjo-Daro, plus the other sites.
Give you a security, respect you. It's for the betterness of you. It's the hospitality.
Well, I don't have any problem with the South either. I mean, my only complaint on Pakistan was the visa, and that was before I arrived.
That is recorded in the notice?
Right. It's been a wonderful trip in the South. And so that's the problem. They've introduced, I understand, visa on demand or visa on arrival.
Yes.
But that is rumored to take at least 30 days. Now, I've gotten many visas in Washington, and they're all much quicker, much easier. So something is wrong with the Pakistani consulate visa.
Mr. Gordon is complaining کہ پاکستان کے اندر جو ویزا حاصل کرنا یعنی آمد کے اوپر فارنرز کا یا وزٹرز کا بہت ہی ڈیفیکلٹ ہے, اور یہ بتا رہے ہیں کہ اس نظام کو بہتر بنایا جائے کہ جیسے کہ قانون ہے اس قانون پر عمل درآمد بھی کرایا جائے, implementation of law. Mr. Gordon is complaining that there is a very difficult to get the visa in Pakistan. There is a visa on arrival is not fully implemented in a such way that the government of Pakistan have to care about that, have to work for the betterness of the visa on arrival. We heartily welcome your complaint.
Yes.
Because we are willing to upgrade, willing to make the reform.
Right.
The law has been passed, and now we are working on the proper implementation of the getting visa on arrival, and your suggestions are mostly welcome, and they will be published as it is, as you say.
And obtaining the e-visa is becoming easier and easier. It's just that sometimes there are teething problems, and I think Gordon hit that moment when the teething problems were at their worst. I'm convinced that over the next 12 months the visa process will become easier and easier.
Yes, I agree.
That's certainly our company's experience. So, but sometimes there are difficulties and they become annoying. We were able to solve the difficulty. That's the good thing.
Have you visited the northern area of Pakistan?
Yes.
The Green Plateau,
Yes.
and the mountains.
It's all very beautiful. I mean, you can see these high Nanja Parbat, for example, and other 4,000-meter mountains were terrific to see.
It's a very steep ascending.
Right. Okay. The Indus River, driving along the road there was wonderful, and there's also several very good hotels there. So we had a very good trip.
What's your first preference?
Well, I mean, one likes the natural beauty, but I also like to stay in a nice hotel.
Nice
At
hotel.
my age, yes.
For your safety or for easiness? For comfort?
For comfort, yes.
Say about the Deostan.
Yeah, well, it was a beautiful crossing. I mean, it's a spectacular trip across there, so we enjoyed it. I was with a bigger group then, and we had a picnic that was very nice.
Great, excellent. What's the ranking of Pakistan? Keeping in mind the natural beauty of Pakistan.
I mean, I haven't been to every mountain or every place in the world. I would say it's equal to some of the mountains in Nepal are very spectacular, of course. Bhutan and in fact, in the United States we have mountains that are very nice, and Canada has mountains that are very nice. So it's similar in some ways, except you have a different culture, which is interesting.
I get the message between your lines. Pakistan in the top 3 countries of the world, you can say.
I suppose it could be, yes. The top 3 in what sense?
It sense America, Canada and Nepal. Pakistan is light between these 3 countries.
In terms of natural beauty you're talking about?
Yes, sure.
I mean, I happen to like mountain scenery, so it certainly, Well, I wouldn't say top 3. You must say probably top 10.
Top 10.
Because Switzerland is beautiful too, and Norway, and places like that.
Yes.
So
If you want tourism to increase in Pakistan, you have to cater to all different types of
Absolutely
people.
right.
Swat Valley was great. Peshawar was wonderful, the museum.
Hunza is the excellent example. The Kailash Valley is also the excellent example. Have you visited the Kailash Valley? It's amazing. The culture is amazing. They are closely intact with the nature. You are closely intact with culture. I crossed through the Nara and Safalmur. There is Batakundi. There is the Jalkhat. There is Babasar Tab. I like it.
It's developing so fast.
Tourists must be live in the nature and the close to the nature, in the natural way, in the natural environment. I prefer with camping, although least facilitated, but the hotel must be clean, safe and secure. And the camping area is also being developed by the Tourism Development Corporation Punjab in a Sonskesar Valley, in a Ganhati Garden. There is a campsite. There is a campsite in the surrounding area, the beautiful lawn, as you are living in the room. Secure, neat, clean and well facilitated.
It's a pub.
You know, there is a natural phenomena. When there will be demand, there will be supply. The hotels and things will come. But places like you see in Kapulo or Shigar, the most challenge to maintain nature. Nature is not only in the mountains. Nature is everywhere.
The north is beautiful.
Yes.
The south is
Has the culture.
amazing culture.
Sure, absolutely.
Nice.
And also too, it's thanks to Gordon, my friend, because
Thank you.
he
Thank
wanted
you.
to come also to the south.
Please come here. Please.
Okay. No, and we are certainly very happy to be discovering the south of Pakistan, and we'll
Thank
be
you.
bringing more tours next year.
Thank you very
later
much.
this
But
year.
it's an honor for us.
we are going to be regular
We
visitors.
will assist you free of cost.